Hello, welcome to this tutorial. We are going to see some modify tools from the QCAD. So the basic modify tool is about move and rotate. It's a very simple tools. So for move, you need to select first what you want to move. Okay, so you can select this circle and then you can go to modify and you have option move and copy. Okay, so rotate and move will have a similar options with copy also, and we will start with move command. So let us start with move. So object is already selected, you can just refer the command line, it is showing the reference point, that is called a point from which you want to start move. Okay, so I will select this center point as my reference point, and then you can see there is a very light color circle, so it will be picked from that point, and then you can select wherever you want to place that object with that center point. So I have drawn this line for a reference, and then you can put for this. Now once you put here the object, it will ask for three options. One is the delete original object. What will happen? The original object will be deleted and you are moving that object from one point to other point. So basically it is a move option. So if I select, my circle was here at the start and it will be moved to this point after the command. Okay, same way what I can do is I can go to this modify options in the command bar. I can select the first option, move and copy. So instead of going to menu bar, you can go with the command prompt, command bar, and then you can go with again a base point and put it here, and then we will go for keep original option, that will create a copy. Okay, so I will just go to this and I will say okay. So both will be retained, the original object and the copied object. Okay, now let's say I want to copy multiple times. Okay, so I'm selecting this object, going for modify commands and then move and copy, and selecting this point as my reference. Now my object will be picked from this point and it will start moving. So I want to copy here, let's say I don't know the distance. You can check on the below status bar where it is showing @50. So I am moving it by 50 for now. So I am clicking there. Now we are going for the third option. Third option is the multiple copies option. Okay, so if I select multiple copies, it will, whatever number I am saying, it will try to create that number of copies, and it will keep on copying with the same distance which I have selected. So this is 50. So counting this one, total 6 copies will be there. So whenever I say 5 copies, that means original plus 5. So that will be 6 copies generated at the same distance which we have kept for the move option. Okay, so this is how your move slash copy slash multiple array command works like. Okay, so that is the move options with three commands. For circle, let us say I am drawing a circle for our reference. Let's say a circle of diameter 100, and I am drawing one more circle for our reference, and we will use this circle to rotate. So I am going to modify options, modify tools. The second option is the rotate option, and I have already selected the object. Now again it will ask for center point, because rotate option will have a circular rotation. So center point will be, let's say, center of this circle, and my object will start rotating. Okay, here you have a delete option. So delete original, same works as move original, move option, that delete original. So this circle will be deleted and you can move it. Keep original will create a copy. Now at what angle you want to create a copy, you can change angle here at A. So let's say 30, and I will say keep original. I will get one copy at 30° with reference to original object. Okay, so let us go for one more option. I will select the object and then go to rotate with same center point. I will use a multiple option that will give me the pattern. Okay, so this is giving me a 30, and I am going for say 6 objects. So 30 and 6, so that will give me total 7 objects with each an angle of 30 degrees. So this is 30, this is 30, this is 30, total 90, and then again 3 more objects at 30. So this gives you the angle. Let's try with minus angle. This is the anti-clockwise direction. Let's say I'm going for minus 30, and that will give you the clockwise direction. So first anti-clockwise direction will give you reference with 0 horizontal line and going towards the anti-clockwise direction. The second minus sign will give you the horizontal direction and clockwise copies of the object. So there is no array option in QCAD, but you can use move and rotate commands to make some of the array option which we have seen in different softwares. Okay, so there is multiple move and multiple rotate options to create copies of your object in QCAD. So these are the two commands which are the first commands in modify options, that is move and rotate. Move and rotate deleting the original file, move and rotate keeping the original file, and move and rotate for the multiple objects. Okay, and in this both the commands, the reference point in move, there is a reference point from which object will be picked, and for rotate the reference point will be the center point about which you want to rotate the object. So understand those basic things and try to implement these commands in whatever drawings you are going to do as a practice or exercise for QCAD. Okay. Yeah, so this is what I want to discuss in this tutorial video. We will meet in the next tutorial with some more modification commands. Thank you for joining.